Hi, I'm Mathia Ford, a registered dietitian nutritionist specializing in chronic kidney disease, and welcome to our July picnic meal designed especially for those with CKD stages 3 through 5. Today we have a delightful array of kidney-friendly recipes that are perfect for a summer picnic. Visit renaldiethq.com/July picnic 2024 for recipes and more information. So let's get started. To refresh your palate, we have a spicy cucumber salad. Crisp cucumbers tossed in a tangy, spicy dressing that adds a zesty kick to your meal. It's light, refreshing, and perfect for that hot summer day. Then we have, for an entree, Cornbread Taco Bake. This dish combines the savory flavors of seasoned ground beef, beans, and cheese with a fluffy golden cornbread base. It's hearty and satisfying main course that keeps protein and sodium levels in check. Perfect for your CKD diet. Next, we have baked beans with ground beef, slow cooked to perfection with a sweet and tangy sauce. This side dish is rich and hearty. By using low sodium ingredients and soaking the beans overnight, we've made sure this classic picnic favorite is a suitable meal for your kidney-friendly diet. For dessert, we have blueberry coffee cake. Yummy, bursting with fresh blueberries and topped with a crumbly streusel. This cake is both moist and tender. It's a sweet treat that doesn't compromise on flavor while being mindful of your kidney health. My family ate the whole pan. Preparing this meal is simple and can be done with minimal effort. Start by soaking your beans overnight for baked beans with ground beef. Then cook everything in the slow cooker for that rich, developed flavor throughout the day. And while the beans are cooking, you can prepare your spicy cucumber salad and let it marinate in the refrigerator. Then bake that blueberry coffee cake and let it cool before cutting it into servings. Finally, assemble and bake the Cornbread Taco Bake. With these steps, you'll have a delightful meal ready to enjoy. These recipes are not only delicious, but carefully crafted to meet the dietary needs of those with CKD. Enjoying good food is still possible with a little planning and the right ingredients. For more recipes like these, visit our website over at renaldiethq.com. And you can visit www.renaldiethq.com/July picnic 2024, all one word, for recipes and more information. Let us know in the comments what you look for in a meal and what we should make next. I love getting your suggestions. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoy this July picnic meal as much as we do. Happy picnicking.